Welcome back, nerds. I'm Miss Westmoreland, and today we're making drop copters. I'm going to show you how to cut and fold them, and then we're going to test them out. Made two example drop copters for you today, and you can take that idea and use different materials, maybe cut them differently, and try all kinds of things to make your drop copter work as best as possible. The idea with a drop copter is to get the slowest drop. And generally the way to do that is to get it spinning as fast as you can. So I've made two examples and I want to show you how to cut and fold them. To make the two propeller drop copter, you're going to need about half a sheet of paper, but you can experiment with sizes. And you're going to need to, actually this is the top right here, you're going to cut about halfway down for those two propellers, and those are going to fold in opposite directions. So I'm going to fold one down and one back, and those are going to be your propellers. All right, those are ready to go. Then you need to do a small cut. Do not cut all the way across or your whole propeller will fall off, but you're going to cut about 2 inches in on either side, or about 1/3 of the way depending on what size your paper is. And then these are going to fold in to the handle. So I'm just going to fold in and grab a quick piece of tape. All right, that's all there is to it. Now we have a basic two propellered drop copter. In order to make the 4 propeller drop copter, you're going to fold your paper into 1/8. I know you know how to do this, but the best way to do it is to fold in half, hot dog way, then open it back up and then fold each of those sides to the middle. That will just get your square bottom set up. If you fold that wrong, it doesn't matter. You just have to kind of refold the opposite way. So you're gonna have something like that. Okay, now this is pretty easy. You can fold this in half this way to divide your propellers from your square base, and then you just cut each of your propellers. So this is only 3 cuts you need to do. Straight down, stop at that dashed line. And then once you're cut, you can see how this is going to fold into that square. You just need to put a little tape on this side. And there you go, a 4 propellered drop copter. All right, the other thing you're gonna need today is a stopwatch so you could tell how fast, or actually how slow your drop is. Mr. Micah is gonna time me. And the other thing you need maybe a parent help with is if you don't have a spot to drop it safely and you need to use a step stool or a ladder, you need help and permission from a parent. I'm okay, I say it's okay, I'm gonna be careful. All right, so let's go ahead and test, let's just test a couple of them. Let's do these 3. Well, let's do that when we just fold it. I did find it helpful to, when I did my test drops, to see which direction they were spinning, and I marked that on my propellers. Can you see? And that way when I drop them, I can kind of give them a little bit of a twist so they can kind of get started spinning. And that does help them because sometimes they get down a couple feet before they start spinning. All right, are we ready, Mr. Micah?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna safely come up here on my ladder. Okay, I'm gonna drop this pink 2 propellered one first. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, what doesn't count? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It landed on our leg. Okay, let's try again. Let's try this 4 propeller one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that worked pretty well.
Ooh. 2.3 seconds.
Oh, awesome. Let's try this pink 2 propellered copter. 3, 2, 1, go.
1.7 seconds.
Okay, let's try the big pink one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
2.3 seconds.
Ooh, nice.
2.37.
2.37. Okay, I think that my drop copters could use a little bit of work to improve. One thing you may want to think about is on some of my drop copters, I added a paper clip, which might seem backward thing to do because it's going to make it heavier, but actually sometimes it helps pull down the center of the gravity so that it will stay spinning instead of accidentally flipping over. Sometimes that helps. You might want to try some paper clips. Try changing the shape of your propeller. Try different sizes. Try different types of paper. You can try a million things. Have so much fun.